find yourself in a nice, comfortable position, either seated or lying down. And let's begin by placing one hand over the heart and one hand over the lower belly. Giving the heart a little rub. Breathing in deeply. Gently rubbing the heart area. And feeling all of the love and all of the beauty and the grace and kindness in your heart. Bringing your awareness fully into your body and fully into this present moment. Really feeling yourself land in your body and settle into the safety of your body temple. And feel how good that feels. And sending some of that loving energy from your heart all the way down to the tips of your toes. And sending that loving energy all the way up to the top of your head. Filling up your entire body and your entire energy field with nurturing love and kindness. Taking a moment to infuse your entire being with love, sweetness, presence, and care. And then bringing the awareness down from your heart to the root chakra at the base of your spine, inviting that energy center to open up in this moment. Becoming aware of the pulsation and vibration of Mother Earth beneath you, and the exquisite frequency of nurturing energy that she is inviting you to attune to in this very moment. Becoming aware of all of the ways that she is expressing her beauty and love all around you. The plants, flowers, birds, animals, and all the elements that surround you. The healing waters, the fire of your candlelight, the air you breathe, the earth underneath your feet, and the numinous presence of the etheric web that connects all of life. And allowing yourself to gently send some roots down from your tailbone, down into the various layers of earth. Going all the way down to the center. And visualizing your roots wrapping around the heart of Mama Earth. Giving her a big, sweet hug. And really feeling the spirit of Mother Earth rise to meet you, giving you a big, loving embrace in return. Taking a moment to feel that symbiotic and reciprocal connection between you and Earth Mother that is unwaveringly available to you in each and every moment. And bringing some of that red, grounding, nourishing earth energy back up through your roots, up into your body, and into your entire energy field, allowing Earth Mother's grounding and life-giving energy to infuse your entire being. And then bringing that energy up to your heart and breathing that grounding and loving energy into your heart. And opening up above from your crown to source. Connecting with your soul. Opening up to that luminous, higher knowing. The part of you that sees the hawk's eye view for your life and your soul's journey here. Opening up to the grace that is available to you from your beloved ancestors, your angels and guides, and all of the wise, benevolent spirit allies that are here to guide and support you on your path. And asking with reverence that each step forward on your sacred path be illuminated with the highest guidance available to you for the greatest good of all and the most blessed outcome. Giving gratitude for this day, giving gratitude for this breath, giving gratitude for this opportunity to co-create a life of such deeply fulfilling beauty and grace here on earth in service to all. Giving thanks to your guides for all of the support, the tools, the resources, the guidance, and the soul allies that have been brought onto your path to assist you in the full fruition of your soul blossoming and destiny in this lifetime. And giving thanks for all of the blessings and grace that are on their way to you on this day. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bless this life and bless us all. And so it is.